Wow, it's super cold out there, and I'm gonna go back home and work from home. You know, gotta do it. It's crazy out here. This might be the biggest blizzard since the one in '97, and I was in that blizzard. So was Nailman. Probably shouldn't do this, but I'm gonna try to get some snow shots real quick. Get out of here. Worst one since '97. Peace. I can't even throw the peace sign up because I'm holding my camera with two hands right now. Peace out. Watch all the old ones. Am I gonna have to drive in tomorrow? It's coming down out there. Battery's dead in the 70D. I gotta grab something real quick. I'm gonna try to run around and get some shots. I probably shouldn't do this. Probably shouldn't have did that. See if we can get it dry.
Welcome to my daddy's vlog, the vlogging game.
Thanks, Boo Boo. What's going on, guys?